Hello all. Today we welcome Avni Gandhi ma'am, who is a cognitive behavioral therapist and even NLP practitioner. She is focusing more on developing human mankind with all type of psychological issues, or even you can just say developmental issues. And in this NU Enrichment podcast series, we are always bringing very nice, you can just say esteemed coach and healers who are focusing on developmental issues, and we can find solution on that. So welcome ma'am on this podcast, and tell me something about you, your field.
First of all, thank you so much for inviting me over here. And yes, to introduce myself, I am Avni Gandhi. I am a life coach, a cognitive behavior therapist. Also, I practice NLP along with that, and I am an affirmation coach also. So, I have been taking a lot of cases about stress and anxiety, and where it's also about general conversation, communicating with different people in general as well, apart from the professional life also. So that's how I'm here to help people and help people come over their anxieties and their normal stress.
Okay, so as we know that new version of you क्या है, ये एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पे आप अपना न्यू वर्जन रोज क्रिएट कर सकते हो बाय डेवलपिंग योर ऑल थिंग्स रिलेटेड टू योर पर्सनल ग्रूमिंग, मेंटल वेलबींग एंड इवन रिलेशनशिप इश्यूज एंड ऑल दैट. So today we are going to talk on the issue that stress in a fast-paced world, it is affecting a lot of people, but we are talking on these issues to find some solutions. But सबसे पहले तो ये जान ले कि स्ट्रेस क्या है, क्या मीथ है और क्या मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग है. तो मैम, व्हाट इज अ स्ट्रेस? And as you know that a lot of people are using it very frequently nowadays, but why there is certain confusion or myth in society? Correct. What is stress?
Very true, as you rightly said sir, कि बहुत commonly ये word use किया जाता है. जबकि हम normal conversation में अगर देखें ना, तो पहले हम ऐसा बोला करते थे कि मुझे work pressure है, मेरे पास बहुत सारा वर्क का लोड है. राइट नाउ पीपल हैव रिप्लेस दैट वर्ड over stress, right? Or because people are having rough knowledge, they do not have exact knowledge of what exactly the stress level starts from. वो लोग हर चीज को स्ट्रेस में बोलते रहते हैं. अब उसकी वजह से क्या होता है, as we all know what we always say कि जैसा हम बोलते हैं वैसा होता है. And slowly that workload, work pressure turns out to be a stress. राइट. सो साइकोलॉजिकल फील्ड में अगर आप देखने जाओ तो स्ट्रेस का लेवल बहुत ऊपर आने के बाद आता है, जबकि ये आज की जनरेशन में बहुत बेसिक चीजों में भी लोगों को स्ट्रेस आ जाता है, जबकि वो स्ट्रेस नहीं है.
Be it we can call it like right now people are using it as a fashion.
Correct.
Means they are dormant that what is it.
Exactly.
So क्या हम लोग एक बात ऐसा एक्सेप्ट कर सकते हैं कि जब से ये सोशल मीडिया आया है, वी आर नॉट कर्सिंग सोशल मीडिया, इट इज हेल्पिंग अ लॉट, लेकिन कहीं ज़्यादा यूज़ करने से एक पीयर प्रेशर, सोसाइटी प्रेशर, सोशल प्रेशर आने से क्या हम लोग आइसोलेटेड जोन में जा रहे हैं, जो भी एक रीज़न है स्ट्रेस डेवलपमेंट के लिए?
Yes, of course. Social media is a very big reason for creating a stress environment into a family also. That will come later on when we are discussing on strategies or what are the reasons for developing this all things. But the thing is that we are talking about, say, Generation Z and Alpha, and now coming 2025 will be Beta generation. So all these people are more over social media. It can be anything, it can be Instagram, it can be Facebook or anything. But दिखाने के लिए मेरा लाइक हुआ, मेरे को किसी ने लाइक किया, मेरे को किसी ने शेयर किया. So all these things are one part where a stress is building up a lot.
So can we say that we should be more, मतलब family should be taking involvement to be grounded, so that basics they are knowing about family system, social system, जहाँ पे आसपास भी लोग जाते थे, कुछ बात करते थे. बीट पहले जो फैमिली सिस्टम हुआ करती थी जॉइंट फैमिली, अब नहीं है बिकॉज ऑफ वेरियस रीजन, बहुत कम है. लेकिन क्या एक फैमिली सिस्टम भी अच्छी तरह से ग्राउंडेड रख सकती है साइकोलॉजिकल जो डिसऑर्डर्स है वो मैनेज करने के लिए? क्या बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो सोशली है, जो आपस में बात करके या फ्रेंडशिप में जो भी हम लोग एक्टिविटीज़ करते हैं, ग्राउंड एक्टिविटीज, स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटीज एंड ऑल दैट, सो व्हाट आर द मेन things that we need to maintain today with the kids, teens, so that they can get out of this all particular pressures?
Of course, sir, there are a lot of such things. The first thing is, as I told you, that work stress को replace करके make it to work load or work, it is just a push that you have to give to yourself, because there are some, I know there are different fields. It is like you are working into a multinational company, you are working somewhere else into corporates, lot of various places, and they have different expectations. I do agree, because overall globally also, if you consider India, it is required, right? So I'm not saying that you should step out of your working profile or do less of work. I'm not saying that. Just try to prioritize things.
Okay.
The priority is your family, the priority is your earning, of course, but that, why are you earning? You are earning for your family.
As we always see that wheel of life, it is all about how much importance you are giving to family, friends, relationship, personal life, professional life, sports, health and hygiene. So ये spiritual growth and all that. तो सबको अगर इक्वली मैनेज करते हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं हम लोग एक्वेंटेड होते हैं विद सर्टन बेसिक्स ऑफ हैप्पी लाइफ. तो ऐसे कुछ छोटे से एक्टिविटीज़ या प्रिंसिपल्स कैसे हम इनको निकाल सकते हैं, छोटी एक्टिविटीज़ जो भी आप शेयर करना चाहें?
Sir, basically we should, as I told you about priorities, right? So you should have a division of your time. You know that you have this much of time. First thing is, cut down on the time where you are giving time to your work throughout, that is 24/7, right? You know, you should have that limit. In fact, I would request the heads of the companies, or maybe at a higher level those who are working, to cut down on the times. If it is earlier, पहले क्या हुआ करता था, हम 9 to 6 जाते थे, या 10 to 6 जाते थे, या 9 to 5 का जॉब होता था, and then we really did not have any connection with the companies or the workplaces.
Yes.
Why? Because we did not have any of the gadgets. है ना? तो उसके बाद हमारा टाइम क्या होता था? फैमिली टाइम.
Yes.
अब नहीं है हमारे पास वो फैमिली टाइम.
Why?
Because अगर कुछ नहीं भी हुआ है ना, तो एक email drop in हुआ, please respond to that email.
And
it's
even
really
lots of WhatsApp groups are there.
Exactly.
Even after coming home, a lot of people are connected to their workload.
Exactly. Being on call always. So you are not giving priority to your family, even though you are at a family or in a house. हम बोलते हैं कि आजकल बहुत चल रहा है कि भाई you should set up your goals, you should do a planning. I mean, of course it is important, but if you are doing it genuinely.
अब थोड़ा सा फोकस करेंगे मैम NLP के ऊपर, न्यूरो लिंग्विस्टिक प्रोग्रामिंग. कैसे कोई अच्छा पैटर्न या एक बुरा पैटर्न, बीट एनी यू कैन जस्ट से सैड पैटर्न, जो लोग रहना शुरू कर देते हैं और वो उनको अच्छा लगने लगता है. मीन्स पीपल आर लिविंग आइसोलेटेड एंड दे आर आइसोलेटिंग देमसेल्फ फ्रॉम द सोसाइटी, एंड आफ्टर सम टाइम दे आर लविंग इट बिकॉज दे फाइंड पीस इन दैट.
करेक्ट.
तो वो भी एक खतरनाक चीज हो सकती है फॉर डिप्रेशन.
Yes.
तो पैटर्न क्या है, एक सिंपल लैंग्वेज में आप बता दीजिएगा, और उसको कैसे ब्रेक कर सकते हैं टू चेंज फॉर हैविंग सर्टेन ग्रोथ.
Yeah. See sir, as we normally we all have heard कि भाई हम अगर 21 days का एक cycle complete करते हैं to do our own habits, to continue with our own habits, it becomes your habits. Slowly and gradually it turns out to be your habit, right? That's a normal thing that we all are aware about. But वो complete किसी से नहीं होता है. That's the pattern that you have to follow.
Yes.
If you want really to give time to yourself or to your family, then make it a habit. Continue it for 21 days. Yes, you have to practice it. Once you practice it, obviously it is going to turn out to be into your habit.
So we can say that micro plans should be there, and there is certain one एक गोल होना चाहिए कि मुझे फैमिली को इतना वक्त देना ही है, मुझे मेरे प्रोफेशन को इतना वक्त देना है, मेरे हॉबीज को मेंटेन रखना है, सो दैट्स होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट भी हो, और कहीं ना कहीं पैटर्न्स को हम लोग कंसिस्टेंसी भी देना जरूरी है.
Exactly.
तो व्हाट things can be done for maintaining the consistency?
See, for maintaining the consistency, you need to have a schedule or a planner of your own self. Don't make it a planner कि मैं morning में 6 to 8 ये करूँगा, मैं 8 to 10 ये करूँगा. No need for that. Make it into our system. Okay, I'll give 10 minutes to 15 minutes to my own self. I'll give for my own reading, I'll give 1 hour. It's not necessary it has to be early in the morning 6 to 7 only.
Yes. कंस्ट्रेंट नहीं करना है.
एग्जैक्टली, यू डोंट कंस्ट्रेंट, बिकॉज कंस्ट्रेंट करते हैं तो हम कर नहीं पाते.
And there's the pressure of again to maintain that.
Exactly. So don't make it a pressure. Make it a
Enjoy
very
it.
simple. Yes, learn to enjoy that whole schedule that you are making. Right? It has to be. If I want to give time to plantation, just make it a habit of yours, na? That okay, once in a week I'll really be with my plants, talk with my plants.
Yes.
That's also very important in today's world.
So what we can say, थोड़ा सा contradictory भी होता है कि lot of technology knowledge is spreaded,
Correct.
लेकिन वो सिर्फ consume हो रहा है, but that is not practiced.
Delegate.
And we are not underlying the main benefit out of it.
Correct.
We are only consuming it. Means we can just say 80% people are not knowing what they are doing.
Correct.
So they are following the patterns done by others, and they are only doing in a pressure of that ये complete करना है.
True.
And once you get to know कि मुझे इससे enjoy करना है, be it work, your family, so definitely we are getting something, a happiness quotient अपना activate हो जाता है.
Yes.
So tell me a simple technique. पहले तो हम लोग बात करते हैं कि स्ट्रेस से इफेक्ट क्या क्या होता है साइकोलॉजिकली एंड फिजिकली.
करेक्ट. द फर्स्ट थिंग इज फिजिकली अगर हम देखने जाए तो ऑफ कोर्स हेल्थ इश्यूज नाउअडेज इफ यू सी cancer patients have increased, diabetes at a very young age have started. So all these is only because of the stress that you are taking, and that is created by your own self. I would really tell that it is only created by your own. दुनिया में इतना स्ट्रेस नहीं है जितना हम सोचते हैं.
It is always said that life is very simple to make it complicated.
Exactly, very true.
Yes.
हमको पहले बोला जाता था ना कि जितनी चादर है ना उतने पैर फैलाओ. अब जो लाइफस्टाइल आज लोगों की हो गई ना उसमें ऐसा है कि पैर फैलाओ, चादर उसके बाद
चादर की चिंता मत करो. ओके. सो क्या हम लोग ऐसा भी सोच सकते हैं कि पेरेंट्स और जो बच्चों के बीच में कम्युनिकेशन गैप आई है, उससे भी कहीं ना कहीं कुछ शेयरिंग बंद हो गया है, बी इट स्टोरीज of grandfathers, grandmothers, and even you can just say चाचा चाची, मामा मामी, जो एक रिलेशनशिप होता था पहले वो कहीं ना कहीं मिसिंग है. तो उससे जो फैमिली बॉन्डिंग है वो ब्रेकअप हुआ है, एंड दैट इज ऑल्सो वन टाइप ऑफ स्ट्रेस इमर्जिंग.
Yes. Because parenting a very big problem that people are considering it nowadays. Why? Because both of the parents are working, and I don't deny to it. I don't say that a woman should not work. Of course, a woman should work, but prioritize it.
Yes.
You and your partner have to understand that the family also requires time, and it is there. 24 hours है. मैं तो हमेशा ऐसा बोलती हूँ जब नरेंद्र मोदी के पास भी 24 hours है ना, still he is managing the whole world. हमारे पास भी
prioritizing the things.
Exactly, it's all about prioritizing.
Yes.
हम prioritize कब करेंगे, है ना? हमारे पास प्रायोरिटी में हमारा फैमिली है, बट उसके साथ साथ सोशल मीडिया, वर्क लाइफ, एवरीथिंग इज सो मच इंटीग्रेटेड कि हम प्रायोरिटी में ऐसा नहीं देखते कि जब वर्क है तब वर्क को प्रायोरिटी दो, जब फैमिली है तब फैमिली को प्रायोरिटी दो. नो, फैमिली जब बैठा हुआ है तो भी हमारे हाथ में मोबाइल्स होते हैं. That's the biggest
wishing
mistake
each
that
other by sitting near 5 feet.
Exactly. Good morning भी हम messages में एक दूसरे को good morning wish करते हैं. That's general. I'm not telling it कि सबके साथ है और मेरे साथ नहीं है. No, it's with everyone. But you should know how to prioritize.
And even we should know how to break that pattern which people are applying that in their life.
Yes.
Because लोग कर रहे करके करना है ऐसा भी नहीं हो जा रहा है. मतलब some people are not having control on their habits. They are watching others, observing others, and they are getting into that particular trap.
Correct.
तो वो भी कहा जा सकता है कि some people should know what they want from the life, and if they define, they are getting into particular track, good track. So हम लोग मैम अभी एक डिस्कस करेंगे स्लीपिंग पैटर्न टुडे nowadays and meditation and music therapy.
Correct.
तो उस पे कुछ लाइट डाल सकते हैं हम.
Yes, of course, sir. Nowadays अगर आप मेरे जैसे मैं करियर काउंसलिंग भी करती हूँ तो मेरे पास बहुत सारे टीम्स आते हैं. If I ask them their study pattern, their sleep pattern, it's completely opposite to what our natural system is.
What
right?
the body needs.
Yeah, what the body needs. Even if when I just communicate with them, they say, "Ma'am, but we are giving enough time. I mean, 8 hours of sleep we are taking. That's not enough. The cycle
Biological
should be maintained."
cycle. Yes,
that they are not maintaining. They would study at night, sleep in the morning at 5, and then they would wake up at 1. So that's a completely wrong biological cycle
And that
we
creates
are
dizziness.
exactly. एंड दैट सिस्टम कब आएगा? जब पेरेंट्स उनको ये चीज समझाएंगे. पेरेंट्स के पास वो, आई नो टुडेज टीन्स आर वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू, आई मीन make them,
They are much ahead, they are talented, but they need one particular guide.
एग्जैक्टली. और वो गाइड तभी बन सकते हैं जब हम हमारे ऊपर कंट्रोल रखें. हम जब एक टाइम ऑफ रखें अपने मोबाइल्स का.
Parents should also be example for them.
एग्जैक्टली. जब हम टाइम ऑफ नहीं करते हमारे मोबाइल्स को, जब हम स्लीपिंग पैटर्न कंटिन्यू नहीं करते हैं हमारा कि 10 o'clock वी शुड गो ऑफ टू स्लीप, अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग यू शुड राइज. सी अगर आप साइलेंस, मुझे बच्चे एग्जाम्पल्स देते हैं और बोलते हैं कि मैम साइलेंस रात को ही होता है. सो आई ऑलवेज टेल देम कि आई एम नॉट टेलिंग यू टू wake up at 5 or 6 in the morning and study. I'm telling you to wake up at 4 in the morning and study. At that time also the silence would be there. And जितना इफेक्टिवली आप 6 घंटे में पढ़ोगे उतना वहाँ 4 घंटे में पढ़ पाओगे.
हो जाएगा. करेक्ट करेक्ट. तो मैम ये जनरली कोई ज़्यादा बात नहीं करता है इसमें, लेकिन हम लोग बात करेंगे कि एक थॉट प्रोसेस कहाँ से स्टार्ट हो सकती है. जैसे आप आपका भी एग्जांपल दे सकते हो कि व्हाई यू चोज टू बिकम CBT प्रैक्टिशनर और NLP ट्रेनर और इवन करियर काउंसलर. तो ये सोच भी कहीं ना कहीं लोगों को मोटिवेट कर सकती है. सो व्हाट वाज दैट रीजन?
So the reason was my own family, I would say. Right? I have seen my son, who is a adolescent now. So I've seen his whole pattern, right? The way he studies. Of course, he's doing good. I'm not saying that he's not doing good. But the thing is that initially I was really getting very much disturbed that I am being a teacher. I was a teacher for almost 16 to 18 years. I worked into teaching field. Being into teaching field where I am teaching lot of kids over there, and my son, I'm not able to give what I want to. Right? So I wanted to learn some techniques how I can go about and how I can explain him that okay fine, the thing has to be like this, you have to go about this way. So these are things were some click. It was a click for me that no, I should go about, because there are a lot of teens, there are a lot of kids in the world, those who are really struggling and they are not getting that
proper
guidance, that space from their own parents, the time from their own parents.
And proper, you can say, understanding.
Exactly.
And they need to be heard, but they are not heard many of times.
And then what happens is they try to gather information from all these social medias where they are not sure whether it is correct or not.
Yes, it's a price you have to give of authenticity.
Exactly. पेरेंट्स के पास क्या है सर? एक्सपीरियंस है. हम बोलते हैं ना कि इतने सफेद बाल ऐसे ही नहीं हो गए, तो एग्जैक्टली इट इज ट्रू, बिकॉज हम हमारे एक्सपीरियंस से सीखे हुए हैं. तो हम जो बच्चों को देंगे, हमारे ही बच्चों को जो देंगे, दैट विल बी ऑफ कोर्स समथिंग व्हिच इज प्रोवन बिकॉज वी हैव गॉन थ्रू इट.
बहुत इजी है ये जानना कि पहले, आज से 40 साल पहले इतना क्यों नहीं था स्ट्रेस एंड ऑल दैट, बिकॉज we were attached to our parents, we were listening to them, our ideals were teachers also, our ideals were good writers and poet and even our friends, uncle, aunts and all that. लेकिन जो मतलब आज के जनरेशन को हम लोग मतलब उनको ये भी नहीं बोल सकते कि they are wrong, they are into this era, it is not their fault.
Correct.
But they need to understand one thing, that their generation is not knowing all the things. They should keep aside certain ego and they should connect with their parents so that they can get something. Because we know that our experience will count and their brilliance will help us move ahead. Every generation is helping each generation, the back generation then. So this is what we can see. So any general example that you have gone through recently, any case study that you want to share?
Sir, if I share about one of my client where he is a student, of course, right now, and the basic thing was only he needed somebody who could listen. He was going, I would just, because he's into teens, and he was going through a relationship, right? Of course, in today's world we know what relationships and I mean till what boundaries it goes on, right? So he got into the relationship where he was struggling how to manage the things, because he already has his studies ka pressure on him, because the parents were definitely behind him for getting good score and everything and all, and at the other hand he had that relationship to handle, which at this young age was very difficult, but he never got that chance from the, I mean that knowledge from the parents at what age you have to see there. हमको है ना बताया जाता था कि at what age you have to, there is certain limitations that were given to us at certain age. हमको भले अभी ऐसा लगता है कि वो limitations नहीं होने चाहिए,
needed vitamins we can just say at the
exactly true. But वो चीजें now then he was facing this issue that whom to go and share. Now how should I balance these things?
But I will talk from the side of teens also. Many a times it is found that as a counselor we are listening to them, no doubt, but they are judged. जैसे वो कुछ बोलना शुरू कर देते हैं, तूने ऐसा किया होगा, आपने ऐसा किया होगा, you are at fault. So they are disconnecting with their parents and teachers.
Of course.
So what should be what message should be given to parents and the teachers, those who are panicking and reacting certain things and all?
Very true. At this, especially with the example that I just shared, हमें बहुत नेचुरली लेना चाहिए चीज़, बिकॉज वी नो दैट इन टूडेज जनरेशन दीज थिंग्स आर वेरी कॉमन. हम उनको पुराने हमारे जो थॉट प्रोसेस है उसके साथ नहीं क्लब कर सकते. यू हैव टू गिव, ऑफ कोर्स यू हैव टू गाइड देम. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट यू हैव टू अलाउ देम टू गो ऑन द रॉन्ग पाथ, बट यू हैव टू गाइड देम. यू हैव टू टेल देम टू रियलाइज देमसेल्फ व्हाट इज राइट एंड व्हाट इज रॉन्ग. जब वो खुद ही रियलाइज करना सीख जाएंगे, फॉर दैट दे जस्ट नीड गाइडेंस. दे नीड लॉट ऑफ एग्जाम्पल्स from your own journey, from your friend's journey. There are a lot of cases that we also have heard in our social background also. I'm not only talking about as a counselor. In our social background we have heard a lot of examples. Why don't you share those examples? वहीं पे cut down कर देते हैं हम उनको. Please don't talk these things. You are too young to share all these things with us. I mean, why? You know कि उसको पता ही है ये चीज.
आप ही तो source हो, मतलब parents are the best source to get that first information.
Correct.
And they are getting disconnected and they are moving towards wrong direction then.
Exactly. वो वहीं पे stop कर देते हैं. अरे अभी से ये सब चीजें की क्या जरूरत? अरे but when you know that this is already there, so that means the child already has that knowledge. तो आप उसको सुनो ना.
और वहाँ पे तो बहुत जल्दी आपको बताना चाहिए कि क्या सही और क्या गलत है.
Exactly. What is right? हमने हमारे कल्चर में से हमने उनको बहुत सारा कुछ सिखाया है. ऑब्वियसली आई नो कि अगर आपके फैमिली बैकग्राउंड में एक कल्चरल सिस्टम है, अगर आपने वो पास ऑन अपने बच्चे को किया है, तो ऑफ कोर्स द चाइल्ड इज नॉट गोइंग टू डू समथिंग रॉन्ग. वो ट्रस्ट आपको खुद के ऊपर होना चाहिए कि हमने वो चीज हमारे बच्चों को दी है कि वो रॉन्ग नहीं जाएगा. बट हाँ, उसको गाइडेंस की कहीं जरूरत है तो उनको सुनो और गाइडेंस दो ना. वाई पीपल नीड काउंसलर्स नाउअडेज. पहले तो ऐसा कोई काउंसलर नहीं हुआ करता था. तब दादी सब कुछ बता देती थी, बुआ सब कुछ बता देती थी, फ्रेंड बन के बुआ बता देती थी. नॉर्मली अगर हम यंगर उसमें बात करने जाए तो थोड़ा कुछ बड़ा ऐसा इशू है तो दादी है, चाचा है, सब कुछ सॉल्व कर देते थे. तो तब काउंसलर्स की जरूरत थी नहीं.
Correct.
अब क्यों है? बिकॉज वी डू नॉट हैव दैट फैमिली सिस्टम ओवर हियर नाउ. और ये एक्सेप्टेंस भी नहीं है. आई एम रियली वेरी सैड टू हियर दैट कि काउंसलर वर्ड जैसे ही आता है लोगों के अंदर वो एक्सेप्टेंस ही नहीं है.
They create that something is wrong with that person.
There's nothing wrong. Because you do not have people to share, to talk, you get somebody.
And that is the best thing, that we are having counselor who is trained and professionally having a knowledge, so that proper knowledge should be
exactly.
given.
But वो acceptance, I mean I have
Society
seen especially in India it is not there. I mean, हमको भी clients मिलते हैं तो ज्यादातर आउट ऑफ इंडिया के मिलते हैं. I mean ऑनलाइन काउंसलिंग करो, ये करो, वो करो. Why? Because people यहाँ है issues but they don't want to accept it.
And
they
even
don't want to go.
one thing we have noticed, that everybody needs solution, but that too they need advice for 1 minute or 5 minutes.
Correct.
They are not going into the procedure of that particular.
Exactly,
they are not having patience. तो चलो ठीक है, हम लोग एक बात करते फिर से कि एक फास्ट पेस पे लाइफ लाना ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लमेटिक है या उसमें जाना प्रॉब्लमेटिक है. मतलब लोग ला रहे हैं फास्ट पेस डेलिबरेटली, और दे आर गेटिंग इनटू ट्रैप.
They are getting into trap actually. Why? Because money is taking over. कॉस्टिंग तो सबकी बढ़ गई है, वो हमको सबको पता है. ठीक है ना. अभी तक क्या हुआ करता था, वी यूज्ड टू वर्क ऑन आवर नीड्स. हमारी नीड क्या है?
Yes.
I'll just give one small example. I have a younger son. मैं अभी आज ही उसको एक example दे रही थी. He just shared with me कि mama I want new crayons. I said बेटा you have a crayon box right away here in front of you. So he said कि yeah mama but I have a new coloring book so I want a new crayon box. I said beta we bought a new coloring book because all the pictures that were there in the old book are colored now. So we got a new one. So that was your need.
Hmm.
But these crayons are enough for you. They are big enough to color the same another book that you have got today. So you can use the same colors. And now you are asking me for a new color. That's your want.
You might have seen some other patterns with other kids and all.
Yes, of course.
That is what.
है ना, तो वही इम्पोर्टेंट है ना.
हाँ.
हमने कभी हमारे बच्चों को भी नीड और वांट का डिफरेंस ही नहीं बताया है.
Yes.
So that is what is happening with us also.
Yes.
हमें हमारी नीड्स पता है, हमारे पास है उतना.
There should be one limitation set.
Exactly.
This is what. That's why we can take them to some organizations where grounded things are there.
Correct.
क्योंकि वो डेवलपमेंट ही शायद नहीं हुआ है, उनको बहुत सारा चीज रेडीमेड मिल गया है.
Correct.
आई एम नॉट सेइंग इट इज देयर फॉल्ट, इट इज देयर डेस्टिनी दैट दे आर इनटू दिस era where technology is at high peak and even they are getting a lot of facilities. Even आज toddlers जो जा रहे हैं वो एसी में जाके बैठ रहे हैं.
Yes, of course.
So it is their destiny. लेकिन क्या हम उनको ग्राउंडेड भी रखना सिखाना चाहिए so that there is a term like heat out of the house, there is a term like rainy season, there is a term like winter. We have to show them, we have to make them realize that all seasons are to be you can just say go through to just maintain that you can just say environmental conditions.
Very true.
तो कहीं ना कहीं वो एक पैटर्न लाना जरूरी है और उसके लिए पेरेंट्स का इन्वॉल्वमेंट बहुत जरूरी है. सो दैट दे आर हेल्पिंग देम टू गेट आउट ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर स्ट्रेस, बी इट एनवायरमेंटल, सोसाइटी एंड इवन जनरेशनल जो होते चीज़ें होती है. वी विल टॉक ऑन वन इश्यू दैट व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट काउंसलिंग, साइकोलॉजी एंड ऑल दैट, जो सबसे पहला रिएक्शन सोसाइटी की हम लोग अभी बात कर रहे थे कि दे आर पैनिकिंग इट, दे आर यू कैन जस्ट से दे आर क्रिएटिंग हैवॉक अबाउट इट, टैबू अबाउट इट. तो क्या कुछ चीज़ें पेरेंट्स के लिए भी ज़रूरी है आज टू मेंटेन दैट टाइप ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि हमेशा पेरेंटिंग करते वक्त हमारे ज़माने में ये था, हमारे ज़माने में वो था, वो लैंग्वेज कहीं ना कहीं बाजू में रखना चाहिए सो दैट दे शुड गेट कनेक्टेड. सो व्हाट इज रैपो बिल्डिंग टेक्निक्स, सिंपल रैपो बिल्डिंग टेक्निक्स विद द किड्स एंड द टीन्स?
वेरी ट्रू. आई जस्ट गिव वन नाइस एग्जांपल. यहाँ पे क्या होता है ना सर कि हम ऐसा एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि हमारे बच्चे आके हमें सब कुछ शेयर करें. दैट्स अ नॉर्मल टेंडेंसी सब पेरेंट की कि यू शुड कम एंड शेयर विथ मी, व्हाई डिड यू शेयर विथ समबडी एल्स, यू शुड हैव कम टू मी. बट हम ये भूल जाते हैं क्या हमने हमारा रूटीन कभी भी हमारे बच्चों से शेयर किया है? क्या बीइंग अ पेरेंट हम जाके पूरे दिन के एंड ऑफ द डे डिनर टेबल पे बैठ के हम ये डिस्कस करते हैं, हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ ऑल्सो फॉर दैट मैटर, कि आज के दिन में क्या हुआ? तब वहाँ क्या हो जाता है, अरे वर्क प्रोफाइल अलग रखो यार. आई एम नॉट टेलिंग यू टू शेयर ईच एंड एवरी पार्ट ऑफ योर वर्क प्रोफाइल, बट एटलीस्ट जनरल थिंग. उससे क्या होगा, एक हैबिट बनेगी बच्चे में भी कि वो भी आएगा एवरी डे एंड ही विल आल्सो लर्न टू शेयर. छोटे बच्चों से मैं तो आई हैव अ प्री स्कूल, सो टू माय पेरेंट्स आल्सो आई ऑलवेज टेल दैट हैव दैट हैबिट सिंस 5 years of age. You can inculcate that habit in your child. तो हर बच्चा भले वो कितना भी बड़ा हो जाएगा ना, बट वो हमेशा शेयर करेगा.
And there would be one type of feeling that somebody is there at home who is listening to me and who is not judging to me.
और बहुत सिंपल सी चीजें होती है घर में. आज मैं यहाँ गई थी तो ये हुआ, आज मैंने ये परचेज किया, आज मैंने ये लेके आई, आज पता है मैं यहाँ गई थी तो मुझे ये आंटी मिली थी. सो यू आर ऑल्सो कनेक्टिंग देम टू अ सोशल वर्ल्ड कि हाँ हम कहीं बाहर जाते तो हम लोगों को मिलते हैं. सो वो हमने दिखाया ही नहीं, हमने सिर्फ मोबाइल दे दिया.
एक बहुत अच्छी चीज़ जो मैंने सीखी है लाइफ में, दैट आई विल शेयर विथ यू, कि टेक इंटरेस्ट इन पीपल बी इट ऑफ एनी एज. जैसे हम लोग बच्चे से बात करते हैं ना, तो हम लोग उसके बड़े होके बात नहीं कर सकते, हाँ आज कैसा गया दिन तुम्हारा. अगर वो बच्चा 3 साल का या 2 साल का है तो हम लोग उसके तरीके से बात करते हैं.
yes.
तो वैसे ही 10 साल का बच्चा हो, 15 साल का बॉय और गर्ल हो, और इन 20s हो, तो कहीं ना कहीं हम लोग एक एज को रिलेटेड कम्युनिकेशन नहीं शायद प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं. दैट इज क्रिएटिंग प्रॉब्लम. एटलीस्ट वी कैन जस्ट सी दैट टुडेज किड्स आर मोर स्मार्टर. आई नो दे आर ब्रिलियंट, लेकिन उनकी एक जनरल लैंग्वेज हो गई है कि पेरेंट्स को कोई कुछ समझता नहीं है. और पेरेंट्स का ऐसा होता है कि आजकल के बच्चे कुछ समझते नहीं है. तो ये कहीं ना कहीं एक टॉक्सिक लाइन क्रिएट करता है विच इज ब्रेकिंग देयर और
Bond.
इट इज बैरियर ऑफ बॉन्ड.
Yes.
तो इसके लिए सिंपल चीजें क्या क्या करनी चाहिए, हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया, लेकिन
हाँ.
एक सिंपल चीज.
The simple thing is like as I told you that make it a routine. Dinner table पे there should not be that should be a phone, no phone time. Right? No, not only phone, any media for that matter. TV also should not be on for that, because I have seen lot of people saying कि हम खाना खाने के टाइम पे तो टीवी के बिना नहीं खाना खा सकते. Make it a rule ना. There has to be some rule of your own family. No phone means no phone, no screen, nothing. You just communicate at that time.
They have created rule for them that without TV we cannot see.
Yes, exactly. That's a reverse rule that they have
Yes,
created.
yes.
Keep that time for your own family. Communicating, connecting with the family, especially the dinner time. Because morning I do understand that everybody is not having
Yes.
lunch together, but dinner time
Time
is something
constraint
that
भी होता है.
yes. और आजकल तो वो भी साथ में नहीं लेते हैं. बच्चे अपनी रूम में जाके खाना लेके चले जाते हैं.
हाँ,
या
because
तो ऐसा बोलते हैं कि
devices
हम
there for entertainment.
yes, every room has their own devices. जो तो सबसे पहला हमने जो बड़ा सा इशू हमने खुद ही क्रिएट किया है वो कीपिंग टेलीविजन और yes or in fact any kind of gadgets in each room. पहले तो टीवी मतलब एक पूरी सोसाइटी में एक टीवी हुआ करता था. अभी ऐसा है कि तुम्हारा
it was
TV,
a source of entertainment, but now it is called as a need.
Yes.
And they are calling it as a need, actually it is not a need.
Exactly. और उसमें क्या होता है, तुम्हारे रूम में जाके देखो बच्चा वहां जाके क्या वॉच कर रहा है. यू कैन नॉट कीप दैट वॉच. एक टीवी रखो घर में, सब साथ में बैठ के. कॉम्प्रोमाइज होता है वहाँ पे, लर्निंग भी होती है ना वो उतनी कि टू सम एक्सटेंट यू आल्सो नीड टू सैक्रिफाइस कि आज मम्मा का फेवरेट शो आ रहा है तो हम मम्मा का साथ में वॉच.
एज यू सेड मैम राइट नाउ कि एक डिवाइस दे दिया जाता है कि आई गॉन थ्रू वन ऑफ द एक्सपीरियंस बिफोर 3 years. वन ऑफ माई रिलेटिव सन, आई थिंक एज वॉज 8 or 9. He was always given that device to play on for half an hour. But what he did, it was not his fault, we can just say. Continuous TV जो चल रहा होता है ना, तो उसमें जोमेटो कैसे बुकिंग करना है, क्या करना है. So he ordered 2 pizzas and he was having empathy also, that he ordered of his choice of one and one choice of parents, because he heard what type of choice parents have.
Correct.
And he made smart move by putting it as a cash on delivery, because he is not having details, but he knows that. And when the pizza came, parents were shocked to see that. So he said, I ordered that, one for you and one for me. So his parent did one thing, that all that pizza they distributed in people in society and the community. But they did not allow him to eat for one punishment and lesson. After that, he didn't do that. So, the gist of all this example is they are brilliant, but somewhere it is used in a wrong way.
Correct.
Because of other information and exposure.
Very true.
So, discipline is foremost thing. So, parents should know that yes, this is what we have to do. We have to maintain with the kids, with friendship also. Because we need to be friend. After certain age, we cannot be suppressing our things and all on their frustration or discipline and strict environment. But yes, we can be friend. So, music, we'll talk about little bit of music and meditation.
Meditation, yes.
तो क्या कर सकते हैं जिससे एक distractions जो आते हैं उसको हम लोग divert करके एक energy channelize कर सकते हैं.
Yes. I would say meditation is the first thing that is going to help. Of course, music therapy also work equally good. To some extent, music therapy is good in such a way that you can do it at any point of time. If you need 1 minute break from your work also, actually I would say that every hour you should take 1 minute break. Just give 1 minute to your own self. Listen to anyone. I know the songs are hardly 3 minutes. राइट आप एक छोटा सा म्यूजिक, मेडिटेशन म्यूजिक लगा के रखो आपके. इनफैक्ट आई वुड सजेस्ट, अगर पॉसिबल है तो हर एक कंपनी के अंदर एक मेडिटेशन रूम होना चाहिए, देयर वेयर पीपल कैन गो फॉर आफ्टर, दे कैन टेक सम ब्रेक.
Few of the companies are having this now. Even napping room is there to take nap and all.
Yes.
So lot of companies are applying now for their employees, and even schools are having, but not all schools are maintaining even this. So yes,
doing certain thing is more important rather than just keeping it available. Right? You should give that time also to the company, I mean the employees na, ki okay fine 1 hour 1 minute break is allowed, or maybe 5 minutes break after 2 hours or 10 minutes break after 2 hours is required.
And it is also seen after doing this, one of the company in Japan, they gave them a nap room, and they were seeing the results after that. They are more productive.
Exactly.
They're more happy.
Yes.
Even they're having 15 to 20 minutes sports, indoor sports activity, just like table tennis and all that. So they were more active after that.
Yes.
So we should understand the need of body and mind, what the relaxation is needed. Even music therapy is there.
Yes.
So what type of things you are applying in your school, ma'am, with kids?
With kids, I am doing a lot of things, like in the morning again we have a round where they are doing prayers. Of course, after prayers we give them some time to do some little actions, because they are too young. They are only 3 years old or 2 to 3 years old. So it's very difficult for them to just sit and meditate or do something. But yes, a calm music is switched on, and of course they are not sitting. Frankly speaking, they are not sitting because they are too young to sit and listen to and meditate. But that music is helping them out. They are listening, they are understanding that okay, this is a specific time that after the prayer, after we are done with the prayer and before we go for our next activity, we are listening every day this music. So slowly and gradually, of course, by the end of the year, they learn to sit also. But it is how we practice. Consistency is very important into this, right? Giving them practice of this kind, giving them a time where they are listening to a calm music, right? Every day it is important. Even in my school also, just play it. No, it's okay. I mean, of course, as an adult, we know that okay, we have to keep our eyes closed, and of course we have to meditate and we have to listen. But at that age, it is not possible.
They would go for that particular routine, and they will make this habit. So that they will come to know that yes, we are performing something better.
Yes.
And
that habit will continue at home also, because I have listened to, I mean, I've heard from a lot of parents that they just have given me a lot of feedback that, oh ma'am, the prayers that you are teaching our kids, they are really listening it very carefully and they are repeating it at home. So what is that showing? That anything that you are giving to a child at whatever age, the child is accepting, though the time will differ as an individual to individual. Of course, that happens with us as an adult also.
Yes.
But they are incorporating it into their life.
Yes. And even we can just say prayer का भी बहुत ज़्यादा powerful effect है. Even I have experienced that. I was also taking prayer in my institution, where even each and every, the adult one also, मतलब the age of 40 plus people were coming to learn something now. They are also going through that prayer. Okay. And they gave feedback that it is giving that or relaxing, you can just say, feeling in body, and we are feeling that yes, something is happening inside.
Some power is there, and it is really helping us out. The same thing at home also, as we discussed about meditation. So you should have that routine in the morning also, na? Because see, as we know that the snooze button has really come up in our life in today's generation, right? So what happens is so what happens is we put the alarm, we keep the alarm, and then when the alarm buzzes up, we just snooze it off.
That is called alarm for the alarm.
Yes, exactly. And why is that? That is only because of that work pressure, as we discussed earlier. The person is always into fatigue, and because of that, the person has not taken enough of sleep, which is relaxed, a deep sleep we are talking about, that the person has not taken, and hence you want it to be snoozed. Otherwise, there are no chances that if you have got a really deep sleep, I mean, I have seen people waking up at 4 every day and freshly, that too, going for a walk, listening to music. There are a lot of youth
nowadays, they are focusing on this health also.
Yes, of course. And it is required, and it is giving them a really good insight.
So, ma'am, we'll talk about one issue that is very important to talk. A lot of people are drawing excuse to be into that comfort zone, which is creating stress. तो क्या टाइप के एक्सक्यूजेस आपने भी सुने होंगे आपके क्लाइंट से, तो कौन से एक्सक्यूजेस होते हैं और कौन से हमें दिखते भी है, सो दैट दे कैन कम टू नो, बी अवे फ्रॉम दैट टाइप ऑफ पर्टिकुलर एक्सक्यूजेस इन लाइफ.
समथिंग वेरी common is time. We do not have time. As we discussed right away, that 24 hours is given to everyone, and everyone is at a different level of their work, right? The next thing is they are not prioritizing. ये भी कर लेना है, वो भी कर लेना है, ये भी कर लेना है. That's really very common in today's world. I mean, focusing on one thing. Yes, there is one thing that I've heard from lot of people is you should have a side income. है ना, बहुत बहुत कॉमन हो गया है कि आपका एक प्रोफेशनल इनकम तो होना चाहिए, साइड में आपका एक इनकम होना चाहिए. ठीक है, सो यू आर डिवाइडेड हियर आल्सो, हियर आल्सो. सो
एनर्जी इज डाइवर्टेड.
एनर्जी इज डाइवर्टेड. यू आर नॉट फोकसिंग. निश किसी को फाइंड ही नहीं करना है. निश
all they want to do all the things,
everything. मैं ये भी करूंगा, मैं ये भी करूंगा, मैं ये भी करूंगा. Everything I'll do it.
And parents who are opting for this, they are giving statement to kids that एक चीज पे फोकस करो.
Yes.
That is also contradiction and confusion.
That's contradictory. Yes. Very true. Very true. That's something which is very common nowadays. है ना. तो हर एक चीज में हम देखने जाते हैं ना, तो एक तो फोकस नहीं है लोगों के पास. टाइम इज द बिगेस्ट एक्सक्यूज दैट पीपल आर गिविंग, वेयरएज आई फील दैट अगर आप उसको चैनलाइज करते हो तो ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन मेक इट हैपन.
I remember one of the example about time. I always used to take this time management session in my institution, where I was waiting for always one sentence from anybody so that I can explain that in that particular example. Somebody would say time ही नहीं मिलता. Then I was very happy to say, because I wanted to share that example of Bill Gates. Once before 15 years he shared one thing in an interview कि मेरे पास भी 24 घंटे है. अब वो उस समय तो वर्ल्ड रिचेस्ट पर्सन था, मतलब फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड ऑलवेज इन बिटवीन. सो आफ्टर डूइंग, उसके पास तो काफ़ी सारा काम होगा ना, मतलब वर्ल्ड रिचेस्ट है, तो ही वॉज हैविंग लॉट ऑफ टाइम, ही इज हैविंग लॉट ऑफ टाइम, सॉरी लॉट ऑफ वर्क. लेकिन उसके बावजूद भी वो कहते थे कि दिन भर का काम नोटिफाई करने के बाद, अप्लाई करने के बाद, सब मैनेजमेंट करने के बाद मेरे पास 3 घंटे बचते थे टू थिंक अबाउट व्हाट टू डू नेक्स्ट. So I was always saying to my student who would raise this question, you are richer than Bill Gates then.
True,
because time is to be managed.
Yes.
Always use the term I didn't manage my time. Never use the term I didn't get the time, because the world richest people are also getting time.
Correct.
After managing it. So very well said by you that micro planning should be there.
Yes.
अगर आपने प्रैक्टिस किया कि ये A++ है, ये A+ है, फिर ये A है, ये B+ और ये B है, फॉर A++ बहुत जो इम्पोर्टेंट काम है वो पहले करना है, और जिससे जो आपका डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर है वैसा करना है. लेकिन लोग उल्टा करते हैं.
सो इन प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन द मेन थिंग इज दैट, एज यू राइटली सेड, कि हम प्रायोरिटाइज करते हैं, राइट. लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स इट हैज, आई हैव सीन दैट, मैं जब मेरे बच्चों को बोलती हूँ ना, जब काउंसलिंग करती हूँ तब, कि आपको आपका शेड्यूलिंग करना है, बट ओनली शेड्यूलिंग इज नॉट इनफ. At the end of the day, you have to see whether you have achieved your goals or not. अब उसमें क्या होता था, नॉर्मल केस में जब हम लोग उसको एंड ऑफ द डे को टिक करते हैं, whether I have done this or not, whether I went to classes or not, whether I did my homework or not, or etc., whatever is your goal for that day. उसके बाद हम देखते थे that within a week I would just analyze that chart that they used to create, और उसमें क्या होता था, they used to over plan that day. है ना. तो जब हम ओवर प्लानिंग करते हैं तो हम उसको अचीव ही नहीं कर पाएंगे.
yes. Only planning is there.
Yes. तो वो प्लानिंग में आपको within a week you will come to know that I'm doing over planning. Every day I'm not able to achieve 3 tasks or 4 tasks. So that means 3 to 4 tasks I am over planning for a day, which I am not able to manage for whatever reason. Right, one day it is fine, 2 days it fine, but if it is happening for the whole week, that means you are over planning your day. So cut down on that. So that will give you satisfaction at the end of the day. नहीं तो क्या होता था पूरे वीक में, मैम मैं प्लान करता हूँ बट मेरे से होता नहीं,
एग्जीक्यूशन ही नहीं होता है.
Again you are creating pressure on you. Right.
Then again वो जब मतलब वॉच उसको दिखेगा, अरे नहीं 6 बजे तो ये करना है, but in that particular reaction or pressure he is not able to do work in 5 minutes which is taking 1 minute also.
Yes,
so this is what pressure, self generated pressure it is.
Yes.
So one you notified very nicely that क्या किया है अच्छा वो भी notify करना जरूरी है.
Yes.
So one of the feedback, self feedback is very very important कि
Yes.
2 चीज़ मैं सीखा हूँ लाइफ में, कि ये पूरे दिन में मैंने एक अच्छी चीज़ क्या सीखी और एक एक ऐसे एक दो चीज जो नहीं करनी चाहिए या रिपीट नहीं करनी चाहिए.
Yeah.
So self feedback is one
Very
process
important.
to learn and to get out of that particular thing. Learning कि भाई नहीं ये चीज नहीं करनी चाहिए, so that I can learn from that mistakes.
Correct.
So what is one you can just say one technique to learn from mistakes that you can share, ma'am?
When you come to know that okay fine, you have realized from your planning or by notifying, as you rightly said, that okay something that you have made a mistake today, right? See, I would always say that repeating a mistake is not a mistake. Right? If you have notified today that okay this is something which was not to be done by me, I mean I am not a person who would always do this particular thing, then the next time it should not happen. That's the biggest thing.
That is learning.
If you don't repeat that mistake, it will never be that mistake. Otherwise it is not a mistake, it is your habit.
So again we can just say that making anything habitual or making it habit will give you lot of results.
Yes.
वो सिंपल चीजें हैं, अगर हम लोग मेंटेन करते हैं तो उसमें से बहुत सारे रिजल्ट्स हम लोग ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं.
Yes.
So ma'am, we have talked many issues here, be it for the kids, parents, society, teens and all that, and we have talked on the issues also. आखिरी में कुछ आपको कहना है कि ये चीज करो and life would be very beautiful.
Yes, of course, sir. The first thing is take out the word stress from your mind. It is not a stress at all. I mean, try loving the things that you are doing into your professional life, into your love life, into your family life, with your kids and everything. Whatever you are doing, try loving it. Because once you will love whatever you are doing, may it be your work life also, you will never get that stress. It's just a work pressure that you are getting, and it is helping you to achieve the goals that are needed for you, for your company, for the betterment of everyone. So that much is important, and you can definitely prioritize your family. You can balance both of it. It's not that difficult that you cannot balance.
Any one mantra for the parents? Simple mantra.
Cut down on your work time. Make it a specific time. I'm not saying that work only 2 hours a day. I'm not saying that. Whatever is required is required.
Man, you can just say balance the wheel of life.
Yes, balance the wheel of life because it is important.
Any message for the kids? Or you can just say teens especially.
Yes, teens. I would always say to teens that you should always share something or in fact everything with your parents.
Without hesitation.
Without hesitations. And I would request all the parents also to accept it.
And do not judge them.
Yes, very true.
Be friend and do not judge them, because they are the, you can just say kids will see the world through our eyes, our experiences.
Correct.
And if you are not standing still to their growth, definitely they are going off track.
Yes.
So that is hazardous.
Yes.
So ma'am, wonderfully that you have put light on many issues and many solutions. You have simple solutions you have shared. It was nice talking to you. Again, in coming time, we'll be having another podcast with you for other issues and all that. Thank you for coming, and always remember one thing. NU is a platform where you will get simplified solutions with all our coaches. Ma'am is also our certified coach, NU certified coach on our panel. So go for newversionofyou.com, find right solutions for your challenges. I can say, I'm not saying it problem, it is challenge that we have to face, we have to solve, and we have to resolve it for our betterment. Download the NU app and Jio Nayi Zindagi. Thank you very much.